Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in Roblox, you have been kicked due to unexpected client behavior with the error code 268, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on Roblox. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu and you're going to write here allow an app, and then you're going to go into change settings here, go into allow another app, go into browser and just go to your Roblox directory. It should be in your C drive, program files, or where you have Roblox installed. So just go to that directory. And after that, you're going to click open. I'm going to use this as an example. You're going to click open and then click add on here. And then you're going to find Roblox from this drop down menu. And you're going to make sure both of these boxes are ticked on. And after that, you're going to click OK. And once you do that, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here network settings, click onto your network, go into more adapter options, go into IPv4, Internet Protocol version 4, click here, add this DNS server here, 1.1.1.1, and then 1.0.0.1, and then click OK on here as well. And after that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now what you're going to do is you're going to write here exploit protection. You're going to go into program settings, click add program to customize, click choose exact file path, go to your Roblox directory again and click open on here. And then you should have this menu. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take override system settings on every option here and then make sure everything is set to off. So just take override system settings on everything. Make sure it's set to off, then click apply here, click yes, and now you can go ahead and play Roblox and you'll see that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.